runs, and we are filtering which ones to play, which ones are not of interest to us. I think Defender is nothing for me, not the OG Defender as we can see here. Like the same age as Missile Command, and I'm just too young for these, I guess, then. Come on! Ah! I'm sorry, human. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to have you die, but tonight. What about you? Interesting day so far. Let's put it like that. But all going good so far. We're playing these weird games, so that's what's up. With the literate voice of AJ. That's what's up. Okay, now hyperbomb. Yeah, okay. We just hyperbomb those UFOs. That's the plan. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. This way we can score more points. I was smart. Oh, yeah. Oh, we killed him? Oh, but did it count? Oh, we're close to breaking the record there, huh? My total amazement, because I am really bad at those. Oh no! Ah, he comes from the behind. Okay, you know what? Bam! How about that? Oh no! Okay. Hey, I spared you the hard landing, bruh. You can see that's a friendly gesture. It was a friendly gesture. Nothing else. Okay, so... Wow! They got those tracking shots? Oh, come on. That's just ill. There's our last one. Come on. Yes. Okay. So now for you with... mining, boys. Come on. Oh, we just crashed him. Never mind. 18-7. And that's where we ended. We're gonna take the 18,700 because I just wanted to do a score on this one and I don't want to touch it again. I'm too bad at these games. I think. I don't know. Okay, 18,700. We take those.